I am N. Gunateja. I completed my BTech from Mallareddy Engineering College. After completion of my BTech, I decided to join in IT sector. I started for searching coaching centers, and some of my friends recommended me Vcube software solutions. To know more, I joined for a demo class in Vcube session. In the demo class, there are two trainers, PVR sir and Vishwanath sir. PVR sir taught us Core Java from the basics, which helped us to gain coding skills, and also Vishwanath sir helped us to develop an application using front-end and back-end technologies. By this application, we are able to know more about on servlets and extra topics. And also, Vishwanath sir is very friendly in nature, and he tells us in with real-time examples. In Vcube Software Solutions, they are conducting weekly tests to know our knowledge about core Java and extra skills. And also, they are conducting mock interviews on every Saturday, so we are attending for mock interviews to know more about our interview skills and also gain interview skills. And they are conducting soft skills. In this soft skill session, we are able to know about our communication skills and also personality development and extra skills. Every company has first test is aptitude test. It is mandatory to attend the aptitude classes, and also we have to get through the first step. So we need to attend aptitude classes. In this way, our training is going very good, and also Vcube helped me to gain my knowledge, and so trainers like Vishwanath sir and PVR sir helped me to gain more knowledge in this sector. So I am very thankful to my trainees. And also lastly, I recommend you to join in Vcube Software Solutions, which is best platform for IT sector. Thank you.